Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. If I put number 0 on here, this one will go to negative infinity. This one will go to negative infinity. So in this situation, we have negative infinity over negative infinity. So in this situation, we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So first derivative of f and s, we have 1 over s. The next one, that is about 2s. This one, that is about number 1 plus 2s over s plus s squared. Now we can do common denominator in here. So this one we can do about factorization by s. Now we need to simplify s and s. So if we put number 0 on here, and we got about number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.